Hey guys, welcome to Spice and Mix. So by looking at this, you must have already gauged that what we are going to prepare today. So yes, we are going to prepare burger today. So without further ado, let's move into the recipe and let's look into the procedure of preparing this burger. So for the burger, we'll be requiring patty. As you always know that we have a patty in between our burgers. So today we are going to prepare this patty out of suran or yam or elephant foot. In English it is known as elephant foot. Here I have cut this elephant foot into small cubes. So guys, as you can see, I have dropped in my suran pieces in the pan full of water to cook. Okay, now very important step in this cooking of yam or suran is we need to place tamarind pulp or we need to pour the tamarind water into this. The reason behind this is if you don't add the tamarind pulp or water, the suran might start itching. You know, your throat and your mouth will start itching. So this is the reason you need to put the tamarind pulp. It takes about 40 minutes to cook. Moving on to the ingredients, here I have taken mixed herbs. I have used about 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs here. Next I have taken about half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of ginger powder. Here I have taken one finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Here I have taken Kashmiri chili powder. Next here I have taken besan for binding. I have used about 2 tablespoon of besan here. You can use more or less. So here I have taken red chili sauce, dark soya sauce and green chili sauce. So guys, this is my suran mixture or the yam mixture. So after suran was cooked properly, I blended it with the help of a mixer jar. You can do this same with the help of a smasher also. So guys, in a mixing bowl, I have added my suran mixture. I have also added onion into this. Now let's add our sauces. So here I have added about 1.5 teaspoon of red chili sauce into this. Next we'll add in green chili sauce. Again I have taken 1.5 teaspoon of green chili sauce. After this we'll add dark soya sauce. Now I have taken only half teaspoon of dark soya sauce in this. After the sauce has been added, I'll be adding my mixed herbs. 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs I'm adding. You can increase or decrease. Here I'm adding about 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. Again you can add more or less. Next I'm going to add my ginger powder and garlic powder. So now if you don't have ginger powder or garlic powder, you can also use chopped ginger and garlic, or you can also use ginger garlic paste in this. There is no hard and fast rule that you need to use powder only. You can use paste or as is. Now after adding all the ingredients into this, we'll mix everything well. After mixing everything well, we'll add coriander leaves into this. Then I'm going to add besan. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of besan in this, because after adding 1 tablespoon of besan, I was able to get a well formed dough. So guys, if after adding the besan, if you feel that your dough is very watery or it is not well formed, then you can add more besan into this. Next here we'll place a tawa or a pan. Okay, and onto this we are going to apply little butter or ghee and we'll place a patty to get cooked. Now we'll cook our patty on medium flame. It will hardly take about a minute or two for our patty to get cooked on one side. So now we'll cook this with lid on. So after a minute or two, you can see the color has changed and this is the color that we require of our patty. So after 2 minutes, we'll flip on to the other side and cook the other side as well for 2 minutes. So guys, our patties are ready here. Now we'll prepare for the bun. So guys, here I've taken this ready-made bun that we get in the bakery or the shop. So now we are going to cut them from the center and we'll divide this bun into 2 parts like how I'm showing here. So guys, for toasting my burger buns, I've used the same tawa on which I've prepared my patty. Now for preparing this or toasting this burger bun, there is no much rocket science in this. You have to just take the pan, you have to toss in some butter and you have to toast your bun. Okay, so when one side is toasted properly or nicely, you flip on to the other side and toast it. So guys, for this burger I'm going to use egg as well. So I'm going to prepare a regular sunny side down omelette here. So guys, all the components of our burger is ready. Patties are ready, eggs are ready, and even the bun is ready. So let's start assembling our burger. So now this is the base for the burger that I'm going to use. This is a normal plain mayonnaise that I'm going to use in this. I've added chopped cabbage and red chili powder. That's it. So this will be used as the base. Next comes the veggies. You can choose any veggies of your choice. Here I have taken tomato, beetroot and onion. So you can, instead of beetroot, you can take any other veggies. You can also use lettuce in this. So next comes our assembling of the burger. Here onto the base I am going to spread some mayonnaise mix. After that we'll place onion, the disc of onion that we had cut. Onto this onion we'll apply some tomato ketchup. If you want you can also add a red chili sauce. I've just used tomato ketchup. Next we'll place or we'll arrange our tomatoes. After that we are going to apply some plain mayonnaise, not the mixture but the plain mayonnaise. After that we'll place our patty and then we'll apply some tomato ketchup again on the patty. Next step is placing our prepared egg or omelette on top of the patty. So guys, after placing the egg, I have placed here blanched cabbage. You can use lettuce as well. Now after this our assembling is done and we'll place the top portion or the top half of the bun and our burger is ready here. I'm going to secure this with the help of a toothpick. So guys, here our delicious burgers are ready. Who has ever thought that we can make some delicious burgers out of suran or elephant foot? So please do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section as to how it has turned out. Okay, as you can see here it is looking really very tempting and it was really very delicious. So please guys, please do try this at home and let me know. I hope you all liked this recipe, and if you did, so please give a thumbs up and share this video as much as possible. Please do subscribe to Spice and Mix and also press the bell icon. Thanks a lot guys for watching this video.